Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just got a new phone and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Actually, I had already unboxed it, but we're just gonna pretend that I didn't so that I can show you guys. This is the phone that I got. Okay. That's how it looks. I got a pink phone case for it. And it comes with a charger. Guys, I am so excited. I'm so happy. I've been trying to set my new phone. Like, I really love it. I love it so much. Like, this is a very big upgrade for me. I'm so happy. So the vlogs are about to hit, guys. The vlogs are about to give, okay? Because this is a really big upgrade. I used to use the Samsung A12. This is the Samsung A35, and it's amazing. The camera quality, everything about it, I love it. And this is a bigger storage. This is 256 GB storage, 8 GB RAM. So a girl is happy. Just look at the quality, guys. Prepare to be sick of me. Hey guys, so of course the last time you guys saw me, my hair was done. I undid my hair and straightened it, so now we're rocking like the natural hair. Today I am at a boutique. This is my workplace for today actually, and it's quite interesting because I love clothes, I love being around clothes, I love styling clothes. I am just a fashion girl, so I enjoy it here. This is actually my sister's business, so I thought why not help her help me. But by the way, if you guys are in Nairobi, karibuni with classic collection at Kasarani opposite Equity, you guys might just find me in here and I might get to show you some clothes. The variety is endless and the quality is great. Trust me, the quality is amazing. Anyway, that is besides the point. I digress. This is my day at work. I feel so positive today. I really think that I'm gonna get a lot of customers today, if not two. And I can't wait. So I'm already having my tea break. I put in some tea in this thermos and some mandazis in here. I also put some doma, which I've already eaten. I just want to continue with my tea break. Then I also have this downloaded episodes of Modern Family. I just currently started this series and I want to watch it as I eat. I just packed the first order, ready for dispatch. Woo! Hey guys, it's a new day, so I just want to study a little bit before I continue my day. I want to go through a few questions to just remind myself about some certain conditions, and then we'll see how the day goes. So spend the day with me. But it's a few hours later. I took a break, did a few things, and now I'm back for my second study session because I didn't even get to study for a longer time. I just did 30 minutes, so I want to do an hour or so.